Phoenix Contact's IP67 power supplies offer engineers flexibility to design applications to meet their specific needs by replacing power supplies located in large, centralized control cabinets with power supplies mounted directly on the machine. These power supplies reduce or eliminate the need for a separate control enclosure, reducing the voltage drop that occurs with long cable lengths. With a dynamic power boost, Phoenix Contact IP67 power supplies provide the additional current needed for the starting of inductive loads, making them ideal in industrial, e-commerce, automotive, and data center applications. Local DC and AC LEDs on the front of the power supply, as well as a DC OK floating signal contact, make monitoring output power simple. Phoenix Contact's IP67 power supplies are offered in single-phase 24 volts 8 amp and 24 volts 10 amp variants. The offerings include 3 different standard connector types, including the M12, 7/8 inch, and installation power distribution.